Accelerator Global Immersion is a unique program that takes 25 of the top university undergraduate students down to Antigua, Guatemala, and throws them right in the mix of understanding why business is important as you think about solving some of the world's most challenging social problems. I truly believe that leadership is a contact sport. And the only way to do that is to actually get down in Guatemala, be working together with students who might think drastically different from you, but walking alongside local experts and entrepreneurs and faculty members that are not only thinking about the theoretical frameworks of how to solve issues, but to literally see those communities that you are trying to solve issues for. So when you think about your career and you think about being a banker on Wall Street, or you think about being a nonprofit CEO, the reality is it doesn't matter anymore. You can't live in this world and not think about the positive impact and the communities that you're living in and how you need to leverage those resources so that in 50, 60, 100 years, they're still there. I think the beauty about being in a place like Guatemala is that you can not only see the communities that you're trying to solve issues for, but the reality is you'll be learning more about the way they are creative and innovative than you might be able to provide for them.